Hi, my name is Dipital, and this is my project on the cell, the basic unit of life. So what exactly is a cell? A cell is the most basic unit of life. It's extremely small, and it contains smaller structures called organelles. On the right, you can see a picture of an animal cell, with all the cell organelles inside. So who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1605. He gave the name because of the Latin word cella, meaning small room, because that's what it looked like to him, as you can see on the right, which is a picture of many onion cells in different phases. Animal cells versus plant cells. So animal cells have some organelles that are exclusive to only animal cells. This includes centrioles and lysosomes. And plant cells also have exclusive organelles. This includes the cell wall, chloroplast, and plastids. But both cells have cytoplasm, the endoplasmic reticulum, or the ER, ribosomes, the mitochondria, the Golgi apparatus, vacuoles, cell membrane, and a nucleus. As you can see, there are two pictures. On the left, you see an animal cell. On the right, you see a plant cell. On the left, you can see the picture of an animal cell. It doesn't have a cell wall, so its shape isn't very rigid, unlike the plant cell. And on the plant cell, you can see the vacuole takes up most of the space. The cell wall. This is only located in plant cells. The cell wall is rigid and keeps the cell shape. It also protects the cell, and the cell wall is made of cellulose. As you can see on the picture on the right, you see there's a cell membrane and then there's a cell wall, which keeps a rigid shape. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage bubbles in the cell. They're found in both cells, but much larger in plant cells, as you can see in the picture on the right. Vacuoles may store food or any nutrients for the cell. Centrioles. Only animal cells have centrioles. Centrioles help with the replication of a cell. It's made of microtubules, and it's at the poles of the cell during mitosis and meiosis. In the picture, you can see that there are two centrioles, a daughter centriole and a mother centriole, and they both have a barrel shape. Chloroplast. Only plant cells have chloroplasts. They are the food producers of the cell. It's essential to the process of photosynthesis, which produces the food for a cell. In the picture, you can see a chloroplast. Cytoplasm is in both cells and is the food that's in the cell. Cytoplasm is what all the organelles are suspended in. As you can see in the picture, there's the nucleus, and the cytoplasm is everything else in the cell. And then there's the cell membrane, which keeps the cytoplasm in. The endoplasmic reticulum, or the ER. This structures in both plant cell and animal cell. There are two types, the rough ER and the smooth ER. The rough ER has ribosomes on it, and the smooth ER doesn't. The ER is basically a manufacturing center. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are found in both types of cell, and ribosomes are on the rough ER. Ribosomes help make proteins, which are needed to make enzymes, which help speed up chemical processes. The mitochondria is found in both types of cells and is considered the powerhouse of these cells because it can produce ATP, which gives off energy when converted into ADP. Plastids. Plastids are only found in plant cells. They're also essential to the process of photosynthesis, just like the chloroplast. Plastids also control the pigment of the cell, so it determines the color. The Golgi apparatus, or the Golgi body, is found in both plant and animal cells. There's a packaging center that works with the endoplasmic reticulum. In the picture, you can see that a protein is being transported to the Golgi apparatus from the endoplasmic reticulum. The cell membrane, or the plasma membrane, is found in both types of cell. Its function is to keep certain things out and certain things in. It completely surrounds the cell and keeps the cytokinesis in. It also is a phospholipid bilayer. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are only found in animal cells. These structures contain enzymes which help the cell digest. Lysosomes are created at the Golgi apparatus. As you can see in the structure, the membrane is holding all the proteins and enzymes in. The nucleus. The nucleus is found in both types of cell. It's the brain of the cell, and basically it controls everything. If something happens in the cell, then most likely the nucleus already knows about it. The nucleus also contains the nucleolus and chromatin.